Assalamualaikum and good evening. Today we want to present about Project 2 Visual Basic Programming. I am Muhammad Fikram bin Faisal. With my group members Muhammad Zafri Ikwan bin Zahari, Muhammad Afiq Raimi bin Azhari, Muhammad Anas bin Muhammad Nizam. Okay. For introduction, our project is this cafe are preparing a delicious food and too famous, but our management still use old ways to save our customer data. So we decide to create our system, to create one system with database because it is made easier for us. After getting the system, it will make it easier for us to serve customer and save customer data. Okay, this is our coding for project. This is for login.vb and this is for index.vb. This is menulist.vb. And okay, that's all coding we use for our project, and I will pass this interface to Muhammad Zafri Ikwan.
Okay, this is the login interface, or you can say that this is the main interface for the app. And first of all, you will need to put in your username in the username text box, and then you need to put your password in the password text box. And if you put a wrong username or a wrong password, then it will show the left message box that is unsuccessful login. But if you put the right username and password, then you will get the right message box. It will show, no, the right one is just a hint. But if you put the right username and password, then you will get a message box that says successful login. Okay, this is the no no. Okay, this is the example that you have successfully logged into the system. Okay, next. Fikri.
Okay, after you successful login, selepas kita dah siap login tu, akan ada satu interface iaitu admin view, iaitu ada dua button menu dengan customer order. So dua button ni korang akan kena pilih sama ada korang nak tekan menu atau customer order. Dia ada button exit juga. Button exit ni kalau korang tekan button exit ni, dia akan terus keluar daripada program ni. Kalau korang tekan button menu, dia akan pergi ke sini. Akan tunjuk list menu. Dan kalau korang pergi ke customer order, dia akan, kalau korang tekan button menu, saya akan paskan kepada group member saya.
Aku. Okay.
Ha.
So for the menu interface, here we have a few things, which is as you see, there is 4 buttons. One button is to go back to the previous interface or the previous page. And then we have the add menu button, update menu button, and also delete menu button. Now, and the table that is shown is actually a data set which uses data. It's a data set that shows the data in the database. So when the user press add menu, a group box will appear showing 3 text boxes and also another button to execute the 3 text boxes. You can add the text ID and then the menu name as well as its price. Next is the update menu button, which the user can directly select from the table on the left, whether it's the ID or menu or price, and then it will display on the text boxes. And then if the user wishes to update, they can press the update button. Next, we have the delete menu button, which the user can enter any ID and just press the delete button and it will delete the data row in the database. So that's all from the cafe menu. Next, I'll pass to Afiq for customer order.
Okay, I'm is Muhammad Firemi Azari. So I'm presenting about customer order interface. So after we press after we press customer order button, and it will display this interface. So for customer order interface, as you can see, there's a label and many of text box for ID, name, food, quantity, price, to insert to the database inside the data grid view. So as you can see, six there's a six button. First is back button. It go to the previous page, which is the button page. Next is add button, where you can add customer order such as ID, name, food, quantity of the food, and price. So next we have update. As you can see in the instruction, to update, just insert ID of the customer and update the data. Let's say if I insert uh, eh uh, okay, here is for update. The next one is for delete, to delete the data in database. And reset is to reset what we already insert in the text box. So for search, you just to insert name of the customer, and it will display the data of the customer. Let's say I search Ein, and it will appear ID 2, customer name Ein, the food that she order, the quantity, and the price she should pay. So for the print button, let's say we write the detail in the text box. Then we just press print, and it will appear a message box for the receipt. So that's all for customer order. uh, okay, that's all. So for the conclusion of our project, it make easier for admins to search for the data, make it easier for admin to manage their business by using database technology to collect and edit data, to prove availability and usability of database connection within VBNet. So that's all from saya, Muhammad Firaimi, dengan pasukan saya, Fikri Ilham, Anas dan juga Zafri. Thank you.